Friends, Swagatam to Technozoned. Today we are going to unbox the Nokia 5 and get one visual overview of it. So this is the box. It's packed very nicely and compactly, and here on the top we can see the Nokia 5, and here is the hat touching and iconic हाथ से हाथ मिलाने वाला image, and here Nokia is written on it, and here simply Nokia 5 is written on the 1.1 Nougat out of the factory. It has aluminium unibody, and it is 4G VoLTE ready, so you can just put your Geo SIM and make one call, and it got 2GB RAM, which is not sufficient actually, but I think due to its stock Android, so we can get better performance, and it gets 16GB storage, which is low in terms of now today's market strategy, and it got 64-bit octa-core processor from Qualcomm Snapdragon. This is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor, and we got polarized 5.2-inch HD display, 30 megapixel rear facing camera, and 8 megapixel front facing camera. And so let's open the box and see. Actually I already opened it because I purchased it from an offline store, and to check the box, check the phone, I already opened it. So just open it. Yes, it's nice. And here is the handset, and it opens like this, and we get here the user manual, and here we get the SIM card ejector tool, and here we get one box, and here is the charger, and inside this is the headphone, which is Nokia WX108 headphone, and this is one USB cable provided, and let's take one visual overview of Nokia 5. This is the polarized display, 5.2-inch display, which is 720p in resolution. This is the front facing camera. This is the earpiece, and here we get the back key. Here is the one second, let me peel the cover off. Aluminum unibody, feels sturdy, very strong, and feels very strong to hand also. And so I was telling that here we get the fingerprint sensor, and this is the home key also, and at the back we get the 13 megapixel shooter. There is the secondary mic for video recording, and here we get the dual tone LED flash. Here is the Nokia logo, and here we get the power key. Here is the volume rocker. Here is the SIM tray and micro SD tray. Here is the USB slot, and here is the mic, and here we get the speakers, and on the top we get the 3.5mm audio jack, and so it looks very nice, and that was it. That was the unboxing of Nokia 5, and if you liked this video, please hit the like button, If you want to subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and to get the notification about new videos, please hit the notification bell icon.